In order to get started with AdRoll, the first step you need to take is setting up your pixel. The AdRoll pixel is key to using AdRoll because it's what tracks everything your visitors are doing on your site. So before you can optimize your ads, build targeted audiences for future campaigns, or remarket to your visitors, we have to get the pixel installed. The good news is, it's really easy to set up. So here's how to place the AdRoll pixel on your website. So the first step is finding and then copying your unique pixel code. Starting from the AdRoll dashboard, you can access your pixel code by navigating to the Audience tab. From there, click on the link toward the top of the page to set up your AdRoll pixel. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to select a cookie consent tool. This just helps you comply with regulatory requirements and lets your visitors know how cookies are going to be used on your site. So choose one and then hit Save. And there you have it. The pop-up should now populate with your very own unique pixel code. You'll hit copy on that pop-up and you're ready for the next step. And that next step is adding that pixel code to your website. So once you've copied your unique code, navigate to your website and paste that code snippet into your site's HTML. And you can do that right above the closing body tag or in the global footer. The good news is you'll only have to place your pixel once for it to fire across every page on your site. And that's it. Congratulations! In just 2 easy steps, you've installed the pixel tracker, which will now unlock the full potential of AdRoll and help you set up the best campaigns. Now, if your website is built on one of the sites we integrate with, like Shopify, for example, the setup process is actually even easier. So make sure to visit our Help Center to find the appropriate set of instructions for your website. The last step is to just check that the pixel is working on your site once you've installed it. In order to do that, you'll need to install our PixelPal Chrome extension. You can find that in the Google Chrome Web Store at chrome.google.com/web store, and then just search PixelPal. Note that this extension is offered by our parent company AdRoll, so don't be alarmed by the different logo. Install PixelPal by just following the prompts. It's pretty easy and straightforward. So once installed, that extension will now be visible and available in your address bar. And the way it works is every time you navigate to a page that has an AdRoll pixel, a green check mark will appear over that icon. So a green status indicates that the pixel is properly tracking, and a yellow status indicates that something might not be working or there are some items to take into consideration. So once you've confirmed that green check mark, you now know your pixel is working and you're ready to set up some great campaigns with AdRoll. For more information on the AdRoll pixel and other helpful content, check out the AdRoll Help Center.